Hey, what's up guys, how are you doing? It's Moz and welcome back to another unboxing. So today we've got the Kinivo K500 4K Ultra HD switch. Now you might remember I've just reviewed the K300 from Kinivo and that was a pretty good product. So let's have a look at the back of the box. So feel free to pause the video if you want to check out those specifications. You do get a 1-year limited hardware warranty here. So let's have a look at the sides. Nothing on the sides. There was a bit of information here. There it is. So we've got smart switching, high def 4K resolution. Obviously it supports that. Connect 5 devices. That's pretty cool. And you do get an included remote. So let's get into it. Whoa, it's huge. Let's just take that out for a second. See what else we get. So there is your power adapter. Let's take this out. There you go. It's quite long. It's quite a long adapter there. And there's the other side of it. European adapter there. Nice that they include that, pretty cool. And of course we get the cool little remote. I love these little remotes, they're so cool. There's also just a little pamphlet here, enjoying your Kinivo. Excellent. Right, let's have a look. Here it is. It's quite a bit bigger than the K300. Calm down. That wasn't actually that satisfying, actually, wasn't it? That wasn't really an Apple experience. But there it is. The Kinivo K500 Ultra HD 4K switch. Using the LG G4 as well, guys, so testing out its kind of autofocus. Let's have a look at the back. Yo, you could like plug so many games consoles into this thing, it's ridiculous. There you go. Anyway guys, keep it locked to the channel for the full review coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.